welcome to Elicia Also Fly. Yes, I am back with another wig review. Today I have the Outre Perfect Hairline Swoop Series Lace Frontal Wig. The style that I have is Swoop 2. She is 22 inches long. The color that I have her in is Burgundy Flame. Now this wig is safe heating up to 400 degrees. Now she also comes in a variety of colors. For the cap construction of the wig, she is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and she also comes with the 3 combs and the adjustable strap with the elastic band. Color on this is so pretty. This color is saying a whole lot. Yes, it is. So the first step that I'm doing is adjusting the wig to my head. I have already adjusted the straps in the back of the wig and the elastic band. I would also say that this wig is a big head friendly wig as well. If you have a smaller head, you're just going to have to tighten it up with the elastic strap. Now right here, I've already cut the lace. I've put 2 cuts in it, and what I'm doing right now is pulling it back so I can go ahead and use the eBond Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. So I'm going to go ahead and take the spray and spray it along my hairline where I want the wig to sit. Spray on, I'm going to go in with my dryer, and I do believe I have this on a medium heat, and just go around it for about a couple of minutes or so. I'm spraying this side right here because it didn't get enough spray on here on both sides, so I went back in to spray it just a little bit more. Now I'm putting on my elastic band so I can go ahead and melt the lace, and what I'm going to do is put this on, and then I'm going to go back over it with the dryer for a couple of minutes, probably about like maybe 5 minutes or so. Now I'm going to go in and cut the lace, and I'm going to go like in a zigzag motion. Foundation to go in to blend the lace to match it to my skin. Then I'm going to go ahead and define my part and style. Right here, I'm using my powder foundation for the parting. I'm using my hot comb to go ahead and flatten it out some to take some of the poofiness out. With this wig, I did not do any plucking or anything, but what I did do was just swoop this to the side behind my ear, and then later on I went in with some Got2b glue gel just to hold it down in place. Then from here on out, I just went ahead and styled the wig to my liking. Yes, so please let me know what you think about this wig right here. This is beautiful. I am loving this color. You can part this any way up top. You can do a middle part, side part, whatever. It came as the right part, but yes, I am loving this right here. The texture on this hair is beautiful. I would say that this is like a yaki texture. The texture on this hair for this color, it held up really well. It wasn't real like brittle or tangly or like baby dollish hair. This is a beautiful, beautiful hair, and the color is definitely on point. Yes, so please let me know what you think about this one, and if you've already tried her, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will leave the link to her in the description box below. But go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.